BJP Meghalaya unit chief spokesperson Mariam Kharkrang said that religion does not play a role in politics in the state. Kharkrang was responding to a query on the recent comments made by the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, blaming a particular religion for the loss of the party and its allies in Meghalaya, Nagaland and Manipur. He further said that none of the religious groups amongst the Christians, irrespective of denominations, propagate any particular candidate or party.
Let me stand corrected. You know, the thing is, I don't think so. Religion has got a part to play here, because none of the religious groups among the Christians, respective of denominations, do propagate any particular candidate or any particular party. Yes, one thing they do is that they always hold a special prayer meeting just before the eve of elections, where they pray that God will give wisdom to the electorates to choose the right candidate and the right party. But directly, with full confidence, I can say that none of the church are in support of a particular candidate or particular party.
The bodies of the two Reebhoy coal miners that